Are we dreaming?
Hey everybody, we've been hard at work behind the scenes, and I'm really excited to show you our brand new Gabor Winter 2026 collection. Luxury designs with Gabor's classic Flex-Light fibre, and each one is an exceptional value. Let's take a look. Joviality. Easy to wear, layered cut bob with just the right amount of movement. Buoyant. Effortless volume and soft, lightweight curls that will last all day. Jubilant. Sleek layers for a polished shape that's both timeless and modern. Energy. Natural waves and light layering for a refined, sophisticated look. Sweetly subtle. The longest in the collection and one of my personal favorites. For everyday elegance, Gabor's 2026 winter collection gives you luxury without compromise.